back with another video today, and I'll be showing you how to make this really easy braided chicken bread. It's a great snack to make for anyone, and it's really simple. Here are the ingredients on the screen, and let's get started. To start off, we're going to make the dough first, since it needs to rise for about 2 hours or until double in size. You're going to whisk flour, yeast, salt, and sugar in a bowl. After you're done mixing those ingredients together, you're going to add oil, 1 beaten egg, and water. When it starts coming together with the spoon, you can get in there with your hands and start kneading the dough until it's smooth and shape it into a ball. For me, it took about 5 to 6 minutes to knead everything, and it might take longer for you, but just take your time, and if you have a machine, you can use that as well. Now we're going to set the dough aside to rise for 2 hours in an oiled bowl. Make sure to oil the bowl and the top of the dough. Cover with plastic wrap so the air doesn't escape. Now we're going to make the filling. We need some butter, onions, garlic, bell peppers, chicken, and some seasonings. I wrote it in the beginning of the video, so make sure to check that out before you start. A key tip here is to cook out the water from the chicken before adding the spices. I didn't do that, but since there's a lot of water in the chicken, it's better to have it evaporated out than add the spices right then and there. Once you add all the spices, mix it all together, and now we're gonna add soy sauce. So the soy sauce is the only ingredient that has salt in it, so you can test it and see if it has salt in it. If it doesn't, make sure to add more salt. The last two ingredients we're going to add are the flour and milk, and what this is going to do is make the filling sticky, so when we put it inside the braided chicken bread, it won't spill out. After you put all the ingredients together, you're going to cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes or until everything comes together, and just set aside and make sure it's cooled down before going on to the next step. After 2 hours, take out your dough and it should have risen. Punch the air out of the dough and split it into 2. I'm making 2 chicken breads, but you can make mini ones if you'd like, or make any size that you want. I'm rolling out the dough to be about 18 inches long, and after it's that long, you're going to start filling your bread with half of the chicken mixture that we made. Now I'm cutting it on the sides, as you can see, because we're going to use this to braid our chicken bread, and we're leaving some space on the left and right side, and sprinkle the chicken with some cheese so it melts in the oven. Now I'm just going to fold the top part in, and as you can see, I'm just putting both sides towards the middle so it'll have this nice braided design. After you're done braiding it, brush egg wash on top, which is just a beaten egg, and sprinkle sesame seeds on it. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes until you see a golden brown color. Here are the final pictures of the bread. I hope you guys love this recipe and let me know if you make it. Thanks for watching, and see you again next time.